We're asking attorneys today, judge trial or jury trial?
It depends.
It depends on what?
Well, it depends on what kind of case it is. I do a lot of insurance work, and so if it's a legal question, I'd rather have it decided by the judge.
There are probably advantages of, for each.
Judge trials or jury trials?
Yeah, but that's obviously an unfair question because it depends on the judge, doesn't it? So
Sure it does.
Everybody's given you an answer that says it depends, right?
Few cases of bench trial depends on who the judge is. There's a lot of factors that go in to determine it, but in most cases, the jury trial.
I prefer a judge trial, a bench trial.
Okay, why is that?
I think that the judge understands a little bit more, and especially what I do. A judge might understand injuries and facts of the accident a little bit more than a jury would.
I'd much rather have a judge who is a little bit more educated on the legal issues and more cognizant about what the realm of an acceptable verdict might be than to take my risk with a jury that could do anything.
Generally a jury, just because you only have to hang one if you've got a case where it's not as strong.
Sometimes you actually depend on who the judge is. If you think that particular judge might be more fair in your case, you'd rather have him make a decision rather than leave it up to a jury.
Most defense lawyers choose a jury trial, mainly because if you lose and you have to appeal, you have more issues on appeal.
Judge trial.
Okay, why is that?
Not as many wild cards.
Not that judges are predictable, but there's less factors that go into a
jury trials.
And why is that?
Well, I'm a defense attorney most of the time, and I don't want the state to have to convince one person. I want them to have to convince 12.